Oh God. So I bought a lot of stuff lately, and normally I don't buy a lot of stuff. So I wanted to do a video where I basically unpack and unbox all of the orders that I got and the Ulta purchases that I bought, and just show you guys kind of what I've bought recently. We are going to see later on if I keep using these products or I don't. So the first really random product that I got is from Amazon. Now, Amazon can be super shady. It's something that a lot of people don't buy products on Amazon, a lot of skincare on Amazon, because they say, you know, you never know who's selling it, you don't know what's in them. And I totally agree. However, I really wanted a hyaluronic acid just as something that I put on my face right after I wash my face. And I didn't want it to be super expensive. So I looked on Amazon just to see like what they had. And there was this company, Youth, I guess it is. They're trying to be super cool with their YEOUTH, but it's just a pure hyaluronic acid. So there's no other moisturizing properties, nothing else. It's just hyaluronic acid, and that appealed to me a lot. Now, I mean, yes, I guess it could be a faulty product. However, the reviews were absolutely amazing on it, and it was like $20. I think it was something like that. So I gave it a chance. You know, I mean, I'm one of those people that I kind of give these things chances, and yeah, it could be crazy, but whatever. So basically you pull it out of the package, and I have used this a couple times, FYI, and I do love it. So you pull it out of the package, and it looks like this, and it's got a little pump on it, and you just pump it once, and then I just put it all over my face, and it feels so funny because it isn't a moisturizer. It really just, the skin just absorbs it right away. It just feels like really interesting, but I do love it a lot. I think it's been really great with my skin. I haven't gotten any breakouts, anything from it. I am using like a couple different cleansers and things right now, which I love all of them. So whatever I'm using right now, my skin is reacting super great to. I haven't really pinpointed what I've been using because I'm kind of mixing everything, but I do use this a lot, and I use this with the primer oil from Smashbox a lot because I do love that stuff as well before putting on makeup. So the next thing I'll get into is a package that I got from Ulta. I got this baby in the mail because I had a coupon and I just wanted to use it. And they have a lot of more stuff online than they do in the store. Plus, I'm super lazy and I don't feel like going to the store. So what I ended up getting was I got these sponges from Morphe, which I've been dying to try. I have seen a lot of people use them. A lot of people swear by them. It's the one with the straight edge on it. They have another sponge, but I really wanted the one with the straight edge because I wanted to try and bake with it. So we'll see how I like this. I got one for myself, and I also got one for my makeup kit, so I can kind of double duty. I also got the setting spray from Morphe because it's another thing that everybody is raving about. And because, you know, Morphe's so affordable, I feel like I can definitely try their stuff out. Apparently it's, you know, an aerosol can, so it just goes on like a really fine mist and really beautifully. So actually, let's just try it now. I always get scared when, you know, I have beautiful makeup on and I'm trying a setting spray for the first time. Oh God. Oh, that's lovely. It smells pretty good. That's actually really nice. It just feels like yeah, like you're being misted, like just like a mist. That's actually really nice. I mean, I don't know how well it holds up, but that was pretty nice. Another thing that I got that I'm gonna add in my makeup kit is this Makeup Revolution foundation stick, and I got it in F14. And the whole reason why I got this baby is because I want to contour with it. So when I'm doing someone's makeup, actually before I do foundation, I would just kind of put them in the areas of the face where I want to contour, and then as I put the foundation on, it kind of blends it in. Something I don't do on myself, but just because like I'm used to my face, but it is something that I would do on customers. So I got this. We will see how this works. Obviously it's not for every skin tone, but I did get a pretty cool toned like a brown, so we will see. And you know, it's meant to be subtle, and then once I do put the foundation on, I put bronzer right over top of that to kind of enhance it. So this gives more of like a contour shape, and then I put the bronzer on to give more of like a definition and like a more flawless kind of deal. The other thing that I got, which I used to have a sample of this, and I absolutely love it, there is nothing like it for other people, like for customers to put on, is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This shit's amazing, okay? Like, you put this on before you put on your foundation, and it gives you this beautiful glow from within. You can be oily, you can be dry, you can be whatever your skin tone is. I've used it on everybody. If you're more oily, you can always set it with a powder over your foundation, but it's this baby, and it's not the purple one. They have a purple one, they have this one, and I think Becca came out with a whole bunch of other products recently, which that's a whole other topic, like oversaturation of the market, which I'm annoyed with right now, especially Becca. They have like 3 new foundations, but anyway, this stuff's really, really beautiful. So basically it's pump. I pump it out on the back of my hand, and then you kind of just rub it in, and it gives this like just beautiful luminosity to the skin, and then you put your foundation right on top of it, and it just gives, honestly, a glow from within. I know everybody says that, but it really, really does give a glow from within. And yeah, it's just so pretty. So I use that on people. And because I want to feel like I'm getting new products again, I am packaging everything up. All right, moving on, still from Ulta. So here's the thing, guys. I go into Ulta, I work for Mary Badescu, I go and do my thing in there for them, and what ends up happening is I freaking spend all of the money, if not more, than when I walked in to do my job for 4 hours or whatever on the products that they have for sale, or like whatever goes on. So they had some great sales like 2 weeks ago, I would say. So I picked up my favorite concealer ever, the Pro Conceal from LA Girl. It was $2.50. I get it in porcelain. I couldn't resist it. And then I also picked up the Makeup Revolution, what are these called? Liquid Highlighter Illuminator Liquid, but it's in champagne. I have been eyeing this up for a long, long time, and this was on sale for $5, so I had to get it. It's a great dupe for the Cover FX drops. So we're gonna see how these work. I like some of them, some of the colors, and I think some of them kind of mix funny with foundation, so from what I've seen and what I've tested, so we're gonna see if I like those. Then they had the best sale ever, which was buy one, get one free, Anastasia Lip Products and Too Faced Lip Products. I mean, how could you pass that up? Like, who passed that up? So I told all the customers about it, number one, that walked in the door, like whether they were looking at them or not. I'm like, you need to go to that aisle right over there, and you need to find lipstick, because it's buy one, get one free. So I swatched a lot of stuff, but what I ended up getting was the Melted Matte Too Faced in Holy Chic, which this is gorgeous. The Melted Mattes are actually great. I didn't really think, I don't know, I just didn't really think of them. But it's this beautiful, beautiful nude color. And I think it's the lowest shade in the line. Loved it. And then, of course, because I love my the Sweet Peach lip glosses, like the peach lip glosses from Too Faced, I got another one. It's like a peach oil lip gloss. They're awesome. They smell like childhood to me. So I already have the one which is like Papa Don't Peach, and this one is Peach Fuzz. So I basically have the 2 lowest shades in the collection. These are awesome. They smell amazing, like peach, like something from when you were a kid, and they go on beautifully. They're great by themselves. They're great as a topper. I love them dearly. So then from Anastasia, I was like doing some swatches. This is literally what I did my entire shift. Shh, don't tell Mary Badescu, that's what I did. So I bought the Seraphine Liquid Lip from Anastasia. It's this beautiful red color. And I also bought a Dusty Mauve regular lipstick from them. These seemed a little dry, so I guess we'll see how they really work. Like the regular lipstick, which I'm gonna open, it looks like this. It's actually beautiful packaging, right up my alley. And it's this like really pretty gray mauve color. So we'll see how that goes, but I really don't have anything like it, and I'm really excited to try it. So the next thing that I bought at Ulta recently, that was a couple weeks ago, all of that, and then recently I bought the 2 Jacqueline Hill Vault Collection palettes. There's 4 total, but I bought one in Dark Magic and I bought one in Bling Boss. I speak about it in my video. I do a video with this look, which should be out before this one, but this is Bling Boss. It's absolutely beautiful. I really didn't expect to like this one or even go towards it, but I couldn't get my mind off of it, so I ended up buying it, along with Dark Magic, which is this one, and it looks a little messy because I already used it, but the fallout is, you know, it's decent with this one, I'm not gonna lie to you, but the colors swatch beautifully, they go on beautifully, they definitely blend well, and who has these kinds of colors in their collection? Like, amazing. So both, they're 15 each. There's 4 of them. You can get all 4. You can get whatever ones you want. The Ulta already was out of Armed and Gorgeous on day 2. I just felt like I really wanted them, so I got them. And they're not a purchase that I really thought about until I swatched them in store, and I was like, oh, wow, wow. So this is why Morphe wanted to be in store, because I can actually swatch the shit, and now I actually want to buy it. Got it. So that's my Ulta purchases, quite a bit, I won't lie to you. And of course I got another coupon, so you know, it's probably down the pike I'm getting more. Then I want to show you this beautiful box I got from Beautylish. I've ordered from them before, and their packaging is always amazing. I love ordering from them. Their customer service is great, so I did it again. So what they do is you open the box and you get this Beautylish package, and there's like a lot of tissue on top, and then they have these things in cute little bags and like cute little paper that's all tied up. So they also send you a receipt like this, and it's just cute. Like, I just love, I don't know, it goes a long way. The way you package things goes a long way with me, and probably a lot of other people. So I got a lot of stuff from Beautylish for myself and for my kit. So the first thing I'm going to open up is, it looks like a sample. So a sample came in this cute little velvet bag. I got the Orbi Signature Shampoo and Conditioner, something I've been dying to try. I hope I hate it because it's so expensive. That brand in general is so expensive. You can find it at Blue Mercury in case you're like looking to find it in store. And then I'm going to open up one of these cute little babies. Alright, so what I ended up getting was black gel liner from Inglot. I had a few of these before. They all dried up on me. They're probably like 2 years old. So I got one for me for my kit, and I got one for me. No, I got one for my kit. No, I didn't. I didn't get one for my kit. So I got one in number 77 and one in number 79. I believe I bought these a little bit ago, but I believe I got a red for myself. Yes. So I got black for myself, and I also got this amazing red color that I'm dying to try. I think red around the eyes is beautiful. I know a lot of people are scared of it, and a lot of people don't put them in palettes because of it, but I tend to love it. If you know how to use reds around your eye, they're stunning. They make your eyes pop. And then I got this, which was like very highly reviewed. So it's the Bioderma micellar water. Weirdly, it has like way more reviews than other micellar waters and like raving reviews. So we're gonna try it out. I hear it's the best. I'm gonna let you know. So moving on to the next package. Beautiful package. We'll see what's in here. Wait, what did I get? What did I get? I forget almost. It's been so long, and I like kept this stuff away because I wanted to do this video. Oh, I got this little palette that goes on your hand. It actually goes on your hand, and then you kind of mix on it. So it's like a mixing palette, and it's in black lips, which is very on brand for me. But basically I want to use this for customers. So instead of, I have like this AC Moore little gizmo guy that I do mixing on, which is great. It's like plastic and it's $1, but I kind of wanted to, you know, up my brand and be like cooler and more expensive. So I got this guy, and I think it should be good. So the last thing that I got, I know what they are already. The kohl gel liners from Inglot in a pencil form are amazing. The black is amazing. I use it all the time. So I need to replenish. So what I got was the Inglot liner in 03, 01, and another 01. So I got 2 blacks. Oh geez. I got 2 blacks, and then I got 03, which I got a dark brown. That's what I got. So I got one in a dark brown for, like, you know, when I'm doing clients and they might not want just a black, they might want more of like a smoky natural look. So that's what I did. I got a brown. So that's it. Like, that's what I've gotten recently. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like stuff like this. I'm trying to change it up, trying to change up my Instagram, trying to make things a lot more creative. So just let me know if you like this. And let me know the products that you've gotten recently that maybe you love, or if you love any of these products or what you think of them. So I will see you next time, guys. Bye.